Hi friends, for part 77 in our series on the Constitution, we continue our analysis of the 14th Amendment, looking still at the first section, and we just talked about the clause that says that the equal protection under the law, that any person is the exact wording, any person within its jurisdiction, the equal protection of the laws. So this is now interpreted today through Supreme Court cases and precedent that's been set. This is interpreted to apply not just to the former slaves that were referenced at the time, but of course to women, religious and ethnic minorities, disabled people, LGBTQ, and trans people at this point as well. And then the other interesting fact is that the legal precedent set in the late 1800s, early 1900s is that this any person wording also applies to corporations. This is where corporate personhood comes from, is this interpretation of the 14th Amendment by stating very, very directly in some Supreme Court cases that corporations absolutely are treated as a person. Whether you agree with that or not is interesting, but like I said earlier, in one of the earlier videos, if we want to change that at this point, it would now require an amendment, because the Supreme Court has interpreted everything and said corporate personhood is a thing, so in order to change that, we would have to institute an amendment. Stay with me for the next parts and stay woke, Patriots.